Question 20 reads, the figures above show the graphs of the functions f and g. The function f is defined by f of x is equal to x cubed minus 4x. The function g is defined by g of x is equal to f of x plus h plus k, where h and k are constants. What is the value of hk? Now to solve this difficult y equals f of x question, you need to recognize that this formula you're seeing here is just saying that g of x is a transformation of f of x, that we've moved it. Remember, when you have numbers inside the parentheses, that moves it left and right. And when you have a number outside the parentheses, that moves it up and down. So really all this question is asking is, if I look from f of x to g of x, how much have I moved left to right, and how much have I moved up and down? So let's figure this out. The best way to do it is to follow just one point. So I'm going to pick this point here, and I'm going to follow it over to here. So how much did it go left to right? How much did it move in its x coordinate? Well, it's moved from 1 to 4, so it's moved plus 3 units on the x-axis. Or you could just say plus 3 units to the right. Remember that when you're moving graphs to the left and right, positive numbers move it in the negative direction or in the left direction, and negative numbers move it in the positive direction or to the right. So that means that in order to get from f of x to g of x, we must have had f of x minus 3. That's how you can move it 3 units to the right. Okay, now let's worry about the y-axis. We've gone from negative 3 to negative 5, so we've gone minus 2 units on the y-axis. Unfortunately, moving up and down on the y-axis is the intuitive one. If you go in the negative direction, you want to subtract the number. If you go in the positive direction, you add the number. So since we went in the negative direction, it'll be f of x minus 3 minus 2. So that's how you transform f of x into g of x. It's f of x minus 3 minus 2. So let's go ahead and solve this problem. What is the value of hk? Well, h is equal to negative 3. K is equal to negative 2. So h times k is equal to 6. And that's the correct answer, E6.